Thank you, darling. Video. Kain po tayo.
Kain tayo.
Medianoche. It's a, what do you call that natin? It's a tradition. Filipino tradition. That you have to eat every New Year.
No, the medianoche.
We call it
On
medianoche.
Christmas, Noche Buena.
Noche Buena. And the chicken is hard.
Let's eat. Sarap ng kaldereta, guys.
So yum.
First bite.
Lord.
Gusto mo ito niya? Ha?
Kain, guys.
Oh.
Kain tayo.
Sarap. Kamutawal lang po.
Mm.
It's crazy that it's already 2026.
What's crazy?
Very fast, it flies so fast. It flies.
You're happy?
Yes. I'm hungry.
I'm happy.
Hi, happy. What? Very happy.
I'm happy that we celebrate New Year's in our house
Hi, happy that celebrated New Year's.
with family. We're complete.
Complete. What do you mean?
Complete. As a family. Sarap.
Bagful, ha?
Why every time I eat like lunch or
Bakit
dinner,
pala lens, no?
I think about funny stuff of my friends that me and my friends did.
Oh, let's.
Chicken.
Why now? Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Wala man lang picture.
Ano na picture?
Ha?
Ano na picture mo?
Pecho. Walang pecho. Puro legs.
We ordered really tasty chicken.
Ganda lang sa Pilipinas. Pag ganito. Pag ayaw mo na magluto, bili ka lang sa Jollibee, KFC. May spaghetti na. May chicken na. Okay na yun.
You see the difference of
Magsaing ka lang.
New Year in Greece and New Year in the Philippines.
Here it's not even good for them. But I like it.
Only mommy maingay in the grease.
Yeah.
Late ka naman mag-react.
Busy siya. You're busy kayo po, di ba niya? Oh.
Jollibee!
Go.
I can't stop remembering when we went to Switzerland and celebrated the New Year's there.
Sarap. Kita Michelle House eh.
Huh?
Tita Ella.
Are you named Michelle?
Budoy. Budoy.
Oh my God.
BFF.
Are you in love? Are you in love?
Happy New Year guys. Bye-bye. God bless sa ating lahat.